Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you a hidden trick of how you can actually start earning money online, and you can actually earn even $10,000 per month, even more. Something really important, guys. This is not a get rich scheme. This is something that you need to take action. Watch this video and remember, take action. Okay, hello, my name is Castillo. Welcome to my channel. This channel is all about real ways to make money online, so I suggest you to go ahead and subscribe to the channel so you don't want to miss any of the content that I'm putting on a daily basis. By the way, guys, I created a playlist on my YouTube channel. The playlist that I'm talking about is this one, my $25 biz. So if you want to start from day one, because I already recorded like 3-4 videos before this one, so you can have all the tools, all the knowledge and everything, okay, you can check it here. This is a video series in which I'm sharing with you guys a way in which you can literally copy and paste and start earning money online. Remember, this is not a get rich scheme. I'm going to show you everything, okay? And don't worry as well, you don't need to create your own product, your own service. We just need to have eyeballs, people who are going to be interested in what we have to offer. And you don't need to be like a copywriter, because I'm pretty sure that you already heard from people like, yeah, you need to build an email list, and you're like, okay, but I have never sent an email in my life. I'm going to show you a little trick of how you can actually do that without spending a lot of time thinking and learning. Yeah, learning is good, don't get me wrong, but we want to take action as soon as possible. Okay, so remember, subscribe to the channel, watch this, because I'm gonna be talking about this, my $25 biz. Okay, first of all, the product that we're going to be promoting and we are going to be learning from is this one, the Home Business Academy. They have everything. They have the training, they have the funnel builder, they have community. Okay, they have an amazing product if you want to promote, and they do have a great cost. Okay, every single time you make a sale, they're going to be donating part of this to feed my starving children. Okay, more about that on the very first link, so you can check it out. But today I want to show you more about this Emerson. Okay, Emerson is going to be an amazing tool that it's AI. Okay, to be honest, it's AI. I know that you can create, images, you can create, emails, you can create Facebook posts, and do a lot of cool stuff. Right now, they do have it on the HBA Premium, but they do have it at the time recording this video open and available to everybody. I'm going to show you more about that in just a moment. Okay, so this is the Emerson. It says Emerson Magic Content Machine is actually this one. So you're gonna see here that you have all the training about traffic, conversion, live coaching call. Yes, because you have live coaching call, you even have access to a Telegram group, you have access to an amazing community. But now I'm going to be focused on Emerson. It can write attention grabbing title, it can write Facebook posts, it can give you an idea of hashtag. But I put it here as an example, like, hey, write me an email about make money online, and it provides me the subject and it provides me the email. Okay, so let's say that you don't like this one for whatever reason, you can click here again where it says go Emerson. Okay, and Emerson is going to be doing all the magic for you. Okay, Emerson is going to be doing all the magic for you. Here we have again subject, an email. You can use it as it is, or you can put your own own flavor. Okay, so you can customize it, but you don't need to start from scratch. That's what I need. You don't need to start from scratch. Okay, so the all-in-one business, it's literally a business in which you can actually earn money by learning and helping others learn. Okay, these tools are not built just to to promote the all-in-one digital business, because this is actually what every business owners needs. They need a tool. Okay, they need a way in which they can drive traffic, as you already notice it because I already showed you here that you're going to learn about free traffic, paid traffic, conversions, and lifestyle things. Okay, so and it gives you the opportunity to earn $100,000 per year in less than 12 months. Okay, but you need to put the time. This is not a get rich scheme. Okay, I'm gonna leave a link below, so you're gonna have all the information. And what I want to show you, because you're gonna have the opportunity to read all of this, like what is included, all the secrets and all this stuff. It's this, as I told you, they partnered with Feed My Starving Children. This is something that I was like, Jesus, I really need to be part of this. This is a great cause. Okay, so when you're ready to join, you're gonna scroll down, you're gonna put your information here, and please make sure that you're gonna take on this one. So you're gonna have 2 weeks for free of all the suite, including HBA, traffic and conversion. Okay, and you just need to pay $25. Okay, really important. You're gonna have 2 weeks for this for free. Please make sure that you're gonna be reading. But one of the tools that you're gonna have access is the Emerson Magic Content Machine. I'm pretty sure that you're gonna be enjoying it and you are gonna be getting part of it. Okay, so another thing is that I'm gonna show you one strategy. Okay, I'm gonna show you in this video one strategy, but I also created a full training. I'm gonna leave a link again as well. It's gonna be the very first link, so you can have a full training. You know, I really put the time to create this. Okay, I put a full training so you can have more than one strategy to go and learn more about the Home Business Academy, because I know, okay, I know this is just one video, and I'm pretty sure you're gonna be like, you know, I want other things. Okay, so you're gonna have that as well. Okay, so now we have the product, we have the service, and all the stuff that we're gonna be promoting. Okay, you can click here where it says the affiliate zone, and then there's gonna be a bottom here. Let me show you real quick. Oops, let me log in here real quick. Okay, you're gonna click here where it says Snap Card, and you're gonna be landing here. Okay, you're gonna be landing. These are gonna be the links, but the link that we're gonna be using in this strategy, remember, this is just one strategy, is this one, the all-in-one 25 business sales letter. Okay, I have more strategies on that other training. It's 100% free. Diana, do we need to go with that other training that you show us? No, you can stick with whatever you have here, with everything that you have here on the HBA Funnel Builder Academy, with the premium one, with their community and all the stuff. You don't need that, but this is something extra because I really want to help you. And one traffic source that we can use is this one, my lead gen secret. You can literally pay $1 per day and you're gonna get 100 leads every single day. Okay, just by paying $1 per day, you're gonna get 100 leads. So you're gonna have eyeballs. Okay, I'm gonna leave a link. That's gonna be the second link, and you are gonna log in. Okay, you're gonna log in. You're gonna see that this is something that I have been using like a lot. Okay, so now what you're gonna be doing is this. Okay, you're gonna click here where it says mailing system. Okay, here on mailing system, the first thing is that you need to select all, because the system is asking you like, who is gonna get this? Okay, who's gonna get this? You're not gonna change this, and I'm gonna be sharing with you some emails that you're gonna be using. And don't worry, you are gonna have them here on the training. Here where I got copy and paste swipes. Okay. So don't worry, you can also pause this video and you can copy and paste it. Okay, so here we have the subject, which is a year from now, and here we have the email that we're going to be using. Diana, what if we ran out of email swipes? Okay, don't worry, that's the reason why I'm showing you about Emerson. Okay, because you can let Emerson know like, hey, write me an email about making money online, and you can use this here on my lead gen secret. Okay, make money online, Remember, you're gonna have unlimited ideas with Emerson. Okay, so you don't have to worry about it. Okay, you can have unlimited ideas here, and I can tell Emerson like, hey, write me an email about let's go with affiliate marketing. Okay, because maybe it's making money online is too big because we have Amazon FBA, we have cryptos right now, we have drop shipping and all this stuff. Okay, so Emerson wrote me an email about the benefit of affiliate marketing, which is basically what I'm doing. I'm promoting a product or service from another person. So you can use this here on the mailing system, or you can copy and paste the mails that I provide you. So we need to do a couple of things. First of all, we don't want this to be bold. We want this to be 16, so we want it to, to be mobile friendly. And let me fix this like super fast. Okay. We want to fix this, and we want to make sure that everything it's okay. Now, what other things that we need to do? First of all, this is gonna be our link. Click here to watch me set it up. So I'm gonna make it bold because I like it to make it bold. And we need a link to promote. So we're gonna be using this one, the only 125 business. So I'm gonna copy this one. I'm gonna choose this one. I'm gonna click here. I'm gonna paste it here. Okay, now I want to preview because I want to make sure that everything looks the way I want it. Okay, everything looks the way I want it. And now I'm going to click here where it says perfect timing. So the system is going to make sure that they are going to get this on their emails at the best time possible. Okay, so I'm going to click here where it says send email, and boom, that's it. Okay, also, that is something that is really cool about my lead gen secret is right now I'm showing you this with one account, but you can have 2, 3, 4, 10. Okay, and let me show you because I really want to show you. Okay, so this is your affiliate link. Okay, this is your affiliate link, and one thing about my lead gen secret is the fact that you can sponsor yourself. So you can have one account, you can have another account, and let's say that you're going to have a third account. Okay, remember that you're paying $1 per day. So with my leads gen secret, you're paying $1 and you're getting 100 leads. But if you sponsor at least one person, you're not going to be getting 100 leads. You're going to be getting 200 leads. So this account is going to get 200. This account is going to get 200, and this account is going to get 100. So that means that you're going to be getting 500 leads every single day. Okay, that you can promote this. You can promote clickbank offers. You can promote other kind of offers as well. But that's also show you something that I show you on the training and things that you're going to learn with the HBH Academy. So if you're ready to join and you want to learn more about this, click the links below, and I see you inside.